Did you hear about the crypto whale that just banked 33 million bucks? All right, let's kick things off with some serious dough being made. We're talking about Sharplink, a big player who just pocketed a cool $33 million from staking their Ether. And get this, they're not stopping there. They just deployed another 170 million in ETH. For those scratching their heads, staking Ether is kind of like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, but for crypto. You lock up your Ethereum to help secure the network, and in return, you earn more ETH. It's a smart move by the big fish, showing how institutional players are really leaning into these opportunities. This is not financial advice, but it definitely shows where some of the smart money is heading. Next up, something heavy from the man himself, Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum. He's stepping up, condemning the criminalization of code in an appeal for the Tornado Cash developer. Tornado Cash, for those who don't know, is a privacy tool that mixes up crypto transactions, making them super hard to trace. While it's great for privacy, it's also been used by some bad actors. Vitalik's point is powerful. Should we be criminalizing people for writing open source code, even if that code can be misused? It's a fundamental debate about free speech, open source development, and where the line gets drawn between creating a tool and being responsible for how others wield it. A crucial conversation for the future of crypto, no doubt. And finally, for a bit of a wild ride, we've got the White Whale Memecoin surging past a $100 million valuation. Yeah, you heard that right. A memecoin, basically a cryptocurrency born from internet jokes and memes, often driven purely by community hype, just blew up. These things can go parabolic, creating instant millionaires, but they can also crash just as fast. It's a testament to the power of internet culture and collective enthusiasm in the crypto space. But hey, remember, while the gains can be insane, the volatility is no joke either. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before diving into anything, especially with memecoins. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.